Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your myheritage.com subscription or membership. If you have taken any premium membership, if you have taken any trial subscription and instantly or after some time they are charging on your account, so how you can cancel your subscription. So first of all, I would like to tell you on Trustpilot there are so many problems is registered on this platform related to subscription. Okay, so each and every person is complaining like they are facing financial issues related to subscription model. Okay, so you can see like there are so many comments available on subscription related problem. So there is only one solution, that is like you need to contact with their customer support team on this email address vipcare@heritage.com. You need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. In the email you need to provide your account details, your subscription is plan date, each and everything you have to mention, and you need to provide reason of cancellation and all. And in the end, don't forget to ask a proof of cancellation. Once your email is complete, you can take a screenshot of this page, and or you can pause my video. Okay, and once you complete this email format, you need to send this email at their email address vipcare@myheritage.com. okay, and this is the only way to cancel your subscription. There is no other way by which you can cancel your subscription. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And if you have any problem, if you're facing any problem, please make a comment. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye. Take care, be safe, be secure.